So this is an option I've got for people who are damaging the USB port repeatedly on their DL4 by jamming the cable in the wrong way or not putting it in carefully enough. That might be a good option. There's a company called Volta that I use for a few things that has a magnetic connection. And what you do is, instead of plugging your cord all the time into there, you have a cable that has a piece like this. So it looks like a normal charge cable, except the tip is removable. It's magnetic, and you pop it into your USB port on the bottom of your DL4 like that, and then it stays in there. So you can use the device as normal with that port in there, and it doesn't cause any issues. When you want to charge it, you just have this cable sitting on your desk, and you just magnetically attach, and you can see from the LED here that it's charging, and these LEDs here show that it's going through its normal charge cycle. When you're ready to use it, you just pull it straight off the desk, so it's just going to snap on and off magnetically, and is a really quick, easy way for you to charge the device without having to plug the cable in and out all the time.